I live in a basement, and last year I had a beautiful kitchen put in for the first time because I didn't have a kitchen. And as a housewarming gift, I purchased a NutriChef 12 bottle wine cooler. And I absolutely love, love, love this wine cooler. It's sleek. The appearance actually added to my newly remodeled kitchen. My wine is ready for any occasion. I usually keep it at 41. The temperature control is easy to use. When you press the button, it doesn't actually change right away, so you have to give it a little time. But it does respond. The noise level is little to none. And as you can see, it's great for a compact area. So the one to the left with the handle on it is the one that I had the problem out of. It actually had ice accumulating inside on the second and third level of the cooler, and I could not push the bottles all the way to the back. So I asked the company what could be done, and amazingly reputable company, they actually just sent me a new one. So just wanted to let you guys know that it works great. They quickly responded, and I have no complaints. I am very happy with it, and so I think it's a great choice.
So this is the NutriChef cooler. It's got a light built in, LED. As this says, control panel auto locks after 20 seconds. Press the button here for 2 seconds, and then you can change the temperature if you'd like. It's a great unit. It's pretty quiet unless the motor's running, and then it'll get a bit loud, but nothing too bad. What I did notice is that I wish these shelves were a bit more spread apart, because some of the thicker bottles rub up against each other. It's not a big deal though. It does come with a lock and key, of course, so you can keep people out of your fridge. I highly recommend this unit if you're looking for something space saving for your place.
Okay, this is a 24 bottle wine cooler, and it comes with a little bit of instruction. I'll have to say, putting this handle on was difficult to say the least, but it's on, and it works well. I mean, it looks good too. Also, they have it's lockable, so they have 2 keys that are included with it. Has a warranty card. It says if you warranty the register register the warranty within 7 days, they'll send you 4 stemless wine glasses. So that's something to consider. We haven't actually plugged it in yet, so we're getting ready now to use it. But you can kind of see how it lays out. We have about another half dozen or so bottles of wine to put in, but this is kind of the way, the way to look once you get your wine in it. And it goes from 41 to 65 degrees, I believe. Supposed to hold a constant temperature. So that's what you want to keep your wine from going bad. And looking forward to using it.
Temperature?
And then the light. Turn on that candle. it. It fits perfectly in my spot.
So did she give you guys some pretty good advice on how to go and what